We will guide you through how to change pixel size of image in Adobe Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop, open the image you want to resize, then allow it to appear on the canvas before changing its dimensions. Click Image on the top menu to view the commands that control the document's size and resolution. Select Image Size to open the settings for adjusting pixel dimensions. Wait for the image size window to appear and display the current width, height, resolution, and estimated file size. Make sure the measurement unit beside the dimensions is set to pixels, since this process changes the actual number of pixels in the image. Check the current pixel width and note the value so you can compare it with the new size. Check the current pixel height as well to understand the image's existing proportions. Enable the link icon between the width and height fields so Photoshop maintains the original aspect ratio and prevents the image from becoming stretched or compressed. Enter the new pixel width required for your project or intended output. Allow Photoshop to update the height automatically according to the link proportions. Then confirm that the resulting dimensions look suitable. Make sure resample is enabled when changing the pixel dimensions, because Photoshop must add or remove image data to create the requested size. Choose an appropriate resampling method, or select Automatic so Photoshop can decide which method works best for enlarging or reducing the image. Review the new width, height, and estimated file size. Then click OK to apply the resize and return to the document. Finally, inspect the resized image for acceptable sharpness and detail, then save it as a new file or export it in the chosen format, preserving the original image separately if you may need its full resolution again later.